Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. The good news is that eToro makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stock in just a few minutes. So this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stock on eToro in 2026. So the first thing, open an eToro account. Okay, so download the eToro app or visit the website, create an account, verify your identity, complete any required account checks. So let's say that we already have an account or we just signed up. Okay, so the most important next step is to deposit funds or add money to your account. So before investing, you will need money in your account, of course. So log into your eToro or sign up, as I said. Now select deposit funds, choose your payments method, add money to your account, and then cash will be available and you will be ready to invest. Okay, so after that you have to search for NVDA. Okay, so open the search bar, enter NVDA, select NVIDIA Corporation, NVIDIA stock page opens and market data displayed. Okay, so after that you have to open the NVIDIA stock page. Okay, so review current stock price, interactive charts, company information, and tap invest. Okay, so click invest, choose the amount you want to invest, and select whether to invest in shares or by dollar amounts. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.